how to turn on or turn off app notification badges on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. Next, in here, tap on app notifications. Now go down the list and tap on app that you want to change. So I'm going to select messages and go to the notification types section. In here, tap on the badge button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn this off, then when you receive notification, it will not show a badge. And when we switch this on, you should receive an orange badge if you have new notifications. And that's it. So you will need to repeat this process for other apps as well. So if you go into Messenger, you can see in here we can turn it on for each of the apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.